Ever wondered how a complex trigonometric expression can transform into something surprisingly simple? Today, we're diving into the world of trigonometric identities to simplify this expression. Our first move is to tackle the numerator, 1 minus sine² theta. This is a classic Pythagorean identity, like finding a secret shortcut on a map. It directly transforms into cosine² theta. Think of it like this. On a unit circle, sine is the vertical height, and cosine is the horizontal reach. Their squares relate directly to the radius, which is always 1. Next, we focus on the denominator. We have cotangent theta multiplied by sine theta. Remember, cotangent is simply cosine theta divided by sine theta. So our entire expression now looks like this. Now for a neat trick. The sine of theta in the numerator and the sine of theta in the denominator cancel each other out, leaving us with just cosine² theta divided by cosine theta. Finally, we divide cosine² theta by cosine theta. When you have the same base, you just subtract the exponents. Cosine² theta divided by cosine theta becomes cosine to the power of 2 minus 1, which is cosine to the power of 1, or simply cosine theta. And there you have it. The final, simplest form of our expression is just cosine theta. This journey shows how understanding fundamental identities can turn a daunting problem into an elegant solution.